What's up guys, welcome back to another video. The curls are amazing. This color is just so pretty. I love everything about this unit. Guys, go ahead and check out the video. Remember to hit that subscribe button at the end, and until next time, I'll see you guys in another video. So today we'll be installing this lovely unit from Nadula Hair. This unit is a 20-inch 13x4 honey blonde kinky curly unit. The unit is 100% beginner friendly. It already came pre-plucked with the strap attached to it. Everything was done to the unit. This is it. If you want to purchase this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any of the products from Nadula Hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and move along to the install. So this is the package our wig came in, and we also received some small gifts in our package. So we received a goodie bag and a robe. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig grip band on. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to the lace before we put our wig on. Again, the unit already came with the adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to fit your head. This is it. Just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. Guys, so this is what the wig is looking like. I really love this color. I always tell you guys that I love this color so much because I really do. I feel like it fits me so good. This is it. Super fluffy. This is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and glue my wig. I will be using my Even Wonder as usual to install my unit. So let's go ahead and glue my wig. I definitely will be keeping this super natural, super simple. So let's go ahead and install our unit. So this is what it's looking like now that we finished gluing our wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down while we finish styling it. They did send us a melting band. Just gonna go ahead and use this to tie our wig down. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and get some curls into this unit. I will be using my ORS mousse. And I will be going in small portions. I feel like it's way easier to get everything curled when you go in small portions. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. The unit is super soft, super fluffy, as you can see. And the curls, I love how the curls turned out on this one. The lace smells great. This is it. I'll show you guys the back. Once again, this unit is from Nadula Hair, and this is their 20-inch 13x4 honey blonde kinky curly unit. This is the vibes that we're getting. It's giving a really pretty look, and I love how this turned out. The lace smells great. It's easy to install, and it's super beginner friendly. This is it. It is super fluffy, super soft. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today, and I will see you guys in another video.